Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to add object pop transition in Apple Keynote. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Apple Keynote software. Then you can see here are my Keynote presentation. Then go to this presentation slide and you can see here a transition menu. Now go to the transition menu and you can see here are transition drop down menu. I am click this. Now I am search my object pop transition. Now you can see here are object pop transition. I am click this and object pop transition apply 4 slides. Then go to the first slides and you can see here are slideshow menu. Now I am click this. Wait a moment. Now click the mouse and you can see here are object pops transition are applying. Now you can see add object pop transition in Apple Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.